Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to enable OK Google on iPhone devices. So as you see, I already have an iPhone in my hand, and all you need to do just make sure to look for the shortcut tab. Then as you will see the shortcuts app, just click on it and then go to the right top of your screen and click the plus. In the search action tab, search for assistance, and then click the first thing that will pop up and click the first one called Ask Google. And then as you will see in the question tab, click on it carefully and then click Hey Google, type it in, then press done, and then I'm gonna check it with Siri. So it basically works through Siri. Hey Siri, hey Google. And as you see, it works perfectly fine. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys next time.